Hello. Uh, in this video, we'll see how to create a component in a Kicad. So, if you need to have your own component of certain pin configuration, you need to create it in the Kicad or any other EDA tools. So, to create a new component, you need to click on symbol editor on the Kicad, either by opening the window here. Just click over here. So it will load the libraries of all the components in this KiCad. So to design a required component, what we need to do is we need to create a new symbol. So you can create a new symbol. Click on the symbol, new symbol. So I'll just file new symbol you do, and it will ask in which library you want to create your component. So today I'm going to give a demo on creating a Fi-Fi timer component which already existing, but with the different uh, you know pin connections on the component layout. I'm going to show you. So let me create a choose a library. So it comes under timer actually. So we will use timer. So under timer, the symbol name I'm going to give LM555 as a symbol name, and the default reference is U and number of package is 1. So once you do that, then it will be shown up here as this way. And what I will do is I'll just make this as left and say okay. So now you can actually move this around. Okay, you can move this around wherever you need. So now it is actually overlaps with the, so I can click over here. I'll click over here. So let's say right side. Okay, so this is ULM. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out this. Okay, so I'm going to make a schematic, a graphic. I'm going to add a graphics here. So use this add graphics rectangular, press this and click over here, and then you create what is it graphics that you want to add. So this is the graphics that you need to add. So I'm going to add the symbol here. Okay, so I have added it. So once you add it, just click on this arrow and you can edit the property of this. Okay, so what you can do is click on this colored region, and you can also say fill the body, fill with the body background color, and it becomes the colored, the inner area will be filled. So now thing is to add the IO pins to it. So you have a provision here to add pins to the symbol. So click on this. So before you add it, so we should know what are the IO pins that is used in the Fi-Fi timer. For that you can actually look into the data sheet of this Fi-Fi timer and how you want to place the components here. So what I will do is I'm going to place the components here. Okay, now I'm going to place a component pin number 4 here, 8 here, and 7 6 2 on the left side, and 1 and 5 on the bottom, and here I'll say pin number 3. So I will be having my all my VCC relate control voltage here and signals on the left side, and I'll be grounding signal will be on the bottom, and output pin will be kept on the right side. So I'm going to add the pins. So let me add first here. Click over here, and this pin number is, pin name is actually VCC, and pin number is 8, and that is going to be the power, This is the power input, and I want the orientation to be down. Okay, so orientation to be down, so keep this way. So let's keep it in this way. So this is actually pin number 8. So let me move this around somewhere near up. Okay, I'll move it here. Okay, so let me add one more pin, that is pin number the pin name is actually reset. So reset is a pin and pin number is 4, and orientation is again kept at down, so that's over here. Next I'll be having another pin, so I need to increase the size of this graphics. So what I will do is I can resize this, since this, so okay, so let me select over here. Okay, so I need to delete this. Let me make a bigger one. Okay, I'll create a bigger. Okay, create a polygon. Okay, okay, so fine. So now what I'll do is I'm going to add furthermore to this one is pin number 7. So this is actually pin number 7 is discharge, and pin number is 7, and I'm going to use it as input, and orientation I'll give it to the right side, so that I need to tap this. So use this auto fit tool wherever you need. I think it was not added. Pin number, this is actually discharge, and pin number is 7, right side input, fine. Yes. Next I have one more pin, that is 6, pin number 6, that is threshold, pin number is 6, again it is input and right side alignment, so I can give that over here. Next I have one more is pin number 2, that is trigger is a pin number, that is pin number 2 and input, keep it as it is. So that's again, then I have here pin number 1, that is ground, pin number is 1, and that also I will make it as input, and I will orientation I'll keep it as up. So here is my pin. Okay, now I'll keep one more pin, that is 5. Pin number is that is actually control voltage, so I can give it as pin number 5, and again input, and orientation I'll make it as output, and here is the tool. Okay, then the last one is pin number 3, that is out. Pin number is 3, and that is output. Sorry, so that is output, and okay, so here I'll keep the orientation to the left side, so that I need to bring that. So this is the created components that we have just created. So what I will do is I'm going to select all these things, and if you click on this, okay, now this component, you can see it is reference is ULM3. So if you want to add in a description, uh, 5 timer, 5 timer, general purpose, uh, plus mono stable and astable circuit. So I can just give this as a reference for this. So now this uh, component is created successfully, and it's, you can see it here in the timer section, that is LM55 timer. So I can save this design here. Now what you can do is, if you close this, you can open a new schematic here. I will open a new schematic, and I will browse the components here. So once you select the components, it will load the component. After loading the components, so I'll just search here 5555 timer. So you can see here the created LM. So here is my component that I've created. Okay, this is the component, so I can use it here very well, so that you can see here the component which I have created. So this is the component, so I can now connect using the wiring. So this is how the creation of a component uh, to be done in the KiCad. Okay, thank you.